All right, today we're taking a look at this PC tower stand. Now this is gonna be great to go right underneath your desk, and this is where your PC tower is actually gonna sit down here at the bottom. Now I've seen some pictures on the listing where they actually put like a monitor and keyboard and stuff here at the top. I think this is too small for that. This is more so gonna go to slide underneath your desk, or one of the other things here is you could actually add a little bit of desk space by putting this on the side of your desk and utilizing this top part to add a little bit more on there. So whatever you may have sitting in your office or your gaming room, you can go ahead and just put some stuff up here at the top. Now over here on the side, you're gonna see there's two hooks right here. These are gonna be for your headphones, so you can go ahead and hook your headphones on there or anything else that you have. And then underneath here, we've got a little bit of cable management that you can see will easily pop up underneath here and sit nicely inside of here. Down here on the bottom, this is where your PC is gonna sit. I like the fact that they made this perforated, so a little bit of heat can go ahead and escape down there at the bottom. And this, of course, is all gonna be adjustable. So we have these pins over here on the side, and it's nice because they basically hook here on the back. So when it's time to switch this out, all you do is pull the pin out from here, pull the pin out on the other side, and then on the back, you've got these little adjusters right here. So you can kind of slide these up and down until you find the next pin. And then this will slide down just like that. You could put your pin back in. Now it'll kind of hold in that spot. On this side, you have to look for your other pin. Slide that in, and then you can go ahead and tighten both of those up. So really only takes just a second, but I think most people will honestly just set this up one time and leave it. Unless you're completely changing your desk setup, then maybe you might change it a little more often. Now down here at the bottom, you're gonna notice that they have these high quality caster wheels. These aren't gonna be those cheapo wheels that you see with a lot of these kind of setups. And they're also going to include some standard rubberized feet as well. So if you wanted to just use these and kind of keep this in one spot, you don't have to necessarily have it on the wheels. But one good thing with these wheels is all four of these are lockable. So you can go ahead and lock this down on all sides, and it's gonna stay put right in place. Also, if you need one side to kind of rotate and swivel more and then leave the other side locked, then that's good too. But yeah, you could really kind of customize and set it up exactly how you want. Now overall, this is a very lightweight setup. You can go ahead and move this around whenever you need to, and it's nice because even if you have your heavier, PC tower sitting on here, plus some stuff on the top, it really does ride smoothly with those wheels. So you can go ahead and unlock these and then roll this around nice and easy, since it's kind of all nice and lightweight. It is pretty sturdy too, so even if you do have some heavy stuff on here, you don't really have to worry about this moving around, falling over, or anything like that, because it is all pretty well made. And I have tried a couple other PC tower station cage things like this, and this one is probably the best that I've had, mainly because of the type of wheels that they have, and just the overall structure of it really just makes sense. Now assembling it was relatively easy. It's mostly just Allen keys. So you're gonna see that this main plate down here at the bottom, you're gonna have these angles right here, and then you've got the angles up at the top, and then you've got this top piece. So that's pretty much it. That, and then maybe putting this piece on the back and screwing the wheels in. I would say it took me about 15 minutes to put it together by myself. It does come with the Allen key, so you don't really need any extra tools or anything like that. And everything just assembles nice and easy. If you have like an automatic screwdriver or a drill with a screwdriver or Allen bit, you can go ahead and use that. It would be a little bit quicker, but it's so small, there's not really that many screws to it, so I just went ahead and used the Allen key that it came with. Up here on the top, you're also going to notice that this has like almost like a carbon fiber style design, which I really like because it's not just going to be plain flat black, and that sometimes can look kind of boring. So I do like the fact that they made a little bit of a design, and it's not too much to where it's distracting or it's going to stand out with any type of desk setup. This will really go with anything since it is all black, but I do like the added little touch of the carbon style fiber up here at the top. Now this tray underneath underneath is also a great place for you to put a power strip. That way you can go ahead and plug everything in right there, and then your wire can go ahead and hang down that way. This is also reversible too. So there's just 2 screws underneath here that you just need to loosen. You slide this over to the side, and then you could flip it around. So if you wanted that to be over here hanging off of the back, you could do it that way too. I've seen that in a couple of people's setups, and that's pretty clean too. It really just depends on how much space you actually have. If you're gonna be sliding this under your desk, I would probably recommend putting it down here. But if you've got a really tall PC tower, or if you just have a lot of stuff underneath here, then this might end up getting in your way. So it's nice to know that you could actually still utilize it, and all you gotta do is flip it out to the outside. So if you're looking for a really good PC tower case, something that's really gonna add some organization to your desk setup, that's gonna look clean, simple, and it's also really easy to move around because of the wheels, I would definitely recommend picking one of these up and trying them out.